What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, I'm back. And today we're going to be putting my brother's motor back together in preparation of the car coming back from paint. Spoke to the painter and the car should be coming back sometime this week. So before that, I wanted to put everything on the motor, put the motor back together. That way when we get the car back, we can just toss it on the subframe and then we can just slide the motor in. You know, it's just less work. So this is everything that's going on the motor today. Oh yeah, I just Cerakoted these silver because they looked a little beat up. So it turned out really nice. I love it. So how about we get started? We're gonna be putting the HKS supercharger on, that ultra limited edition ballistic coil pack cover that I fucking burnt while I was trying to burn this, but it's okay. I'm gonna make another one. And then we got our Skunk 2 header, intake manifold, and the infamous HKS spaghetti low main headers. So let's get started. First things first, we're gonna install this, the intake manifold. Check this out. We put Chasing J's titanium bolts all throughout it. It looks very nice. All right. Oh, we got Chasing J's stud kit. Wanna give me the bolts, bro? I love these Chasing J's hardware. They look so clean. You know? Especially with like the 12 point. You know? I think this bottom one, it's gonna be a bitch to get. You see that stud? So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put a regular flange nut on there, and then it'll be easier to do. Right, you wanna put on the header. Make sure you give it some loving with alcohol later, bro. Your greasy ass hands.
Yeah, we don't have any gloves left.
Flange gonna fit there.
Ah, done here.
No! I dropped the nut in there.
That's it. HKS is on.
Don't do it, man. Don't do it! No!
You dropped it
Jumping
again?
up the same spot I dropped.
No, you dropped it in there, bro.
Where is it?
It's right there. Give me that bolt. Right there.
You dropped it lower?
Yeah. Okay, this one's too short. I need a long one.
Here.
You see, Jaden? If you had been playing with my little magnetic tool, you know, I could get this. But no.
Here, this one's longer.
You know, this would be very dangerous if the motor was in the car. Oh, I got it. You see, we're so OCD here at Ballistic Garage that we have to install the motor on a magic carpet. So it's where the mojo happens. You know, it's where the mojo happens.
What are you doing?
Taking this seal off to put on the titanium.
What you do is you kind of just play with this. There you go. Wow, that came out easy.
What are you doing now? Just tightening the bolts?
Yeah. See, these don't need to be torqued because it has that thermal gasket, so it compresses. Just gotta give it a little ugga-dugga, you know? A little ugga-dugga. I know a lot of you purists gonna be like, oh, but why didn't he do it in a pattern? Dude, you don't need to, but not with these. Okay? Not needed. This is the freaking pain in the butt one, dude.
The last bolt in the corner is always the pain in the butt.
Freaking way.
This little corner.
I think, what size is that nut? Fuck no. Wow.
You still can't reach it?
I can reach it, but it's at an awkward angle.
Adapt to your surroundings.
You're talking a lot of noise, bro.
It fell again?
No.
Okay. Attempt number 15. I'm trying to tighten this bolt.
Right.
All tight.
Alright.
So, you want to put the valve cover on, bro?
Alright, here come the valve cover.
Up, away she goes.
Nice and tight.
Like your butthole. You alright? What's nasty? I hear you whining in the bathroom all the time, Jaden.
Yo,
do you
because
mean?
that's different.
How's that different?
Because I really needed to take a dump.
Okay. Rubbers.
Rubber seals.
We don't have more gloves, so I can't use my hand touching the titanium.
Lysol wipes, bro. That's how you clean titanium. You hear that, kids? That's how you clean titanium, is with Lysol or Clorox wipes. Okay? I learned this from Chasing Jays.
Don't drink it, it won't kill you from COVID.
Yep. Ooh, this looks so sexy. Well, my brother likes to break shit with his retard string.
Sometimes the retard string don't work.
Like taking off the air hose.
You just broke the air hose?
No, he had so much retard strength he couldn't take it off. Yeah.
Whoa, are these the solar panel sticks?
Yeah, man. They're made by Elon Musk. This gives it Tesla power. It gives it like 3 kilowatts.
Little boost.
3 kilowatts of pointless power. Hey, bro, where's the beauty washers? Come on, man. I know you can't see it, but it's all in the details, bro. You have to be able to show your nephew how it's done. Why do you keep recording the same thing? I swore you've done like 3 scenes.
Beauty wash by Downstar. Look at that zinc.
Oh, you know what? Before we put the supercharger in, I should put the oil pressure switch in there.
We unboxing.
Unboxing. Shout out to Jeff over at Science of Speed, always taking care of the ballistic squad. Love you, brother. We got AEM oil pressure.
Okay. So this is the adapter for the
oil pressure switch, because the OEM threads are different. Yep.
tightening. And that's the oil pressure.
Yes.
Very cool. What size is that?
5/8.
5/8. That's like close to 17, is it not?
It's a little bit bigger than the 15.
It's basically a 16.
No, it's not.
15 and a half.
There's no such thing. It's 15 and a half. Now, we're gonna put on the supercharger bracket. Moi, just Cerakoted. You know, moi, like daddy in French.
Are you taking off now?
I'm installing the bracket for the bracket. Look at that, my uber sexy snap-on. 24 Newton meters.
Bracket's going on.
The sexy is about to come out, bro.
How sexy?
Very sexy. Sexier than the Victoria's Secret model. Oh, bro, you need a bolt for that. Beg me, Kaden.
Please?
You wanna see how extra fucking ballistic
I
is,
might
bro?
as well with all the titanium bolt.
This is literally the only bolt that we could find that fits here because the supercharger was missing this bolt. So, being the great brother that I am,
You just need to be a little more extra.
You know?
You make me do all the chasing J's for the intake manifold already.
yeah, but come on, bro. Did I tell you to do it wrong? No.
Yeah, with that bolt, you just make it more perfect.
Ow.
And here come the magic.
Bad boy.
You know, if I have to order some chasing J's bolt for that part, it would look perfect too.
Yeah, but I don't think they make one this big, bro.
Well, chasing J's need to show some love and just make one for us.
I know, right? Come on, bro. We're all Vietnamese. All right, so now I have to cock this. So bro. You know what I was thinking? Give me that titanium bolt right there.
Oh, hell no.
Oh yeah, this is how we do it. It's your fault, bro, because you mentioned this one. So you gave me ideas. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Look at that. You can fucking taste the rainbow, bro.
I guess after this done, Chicken J's better give me better discounts because I need to buy some more from the boat.
Yep.
I can't believe you used to do that.
Believe it, bro.
We're replacing all the bolts as much as we can.
With
With all this down star and chasing J's.
my builds will forever leave a lasting impression, bro.
And you know, they call BMW for a reason. Broke my wallet.
All right, boys, we're almost done. The finale is this lovely piece right here.
Look at that.
Oh, it's so sexy. Alright guys, that's it for today's episode. If you like what you saw, please remember to smash that like button and smash that subscribe button. And remember, authenticity is king. And I love you guys. See you on the next episode. Peace.